Hey guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you these fun fruit nails for summer. I do hope you'll enjoy, and let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off by removing these polygel nails I have here, and I did use a peel off base coat under these, so that's how I'm able to peel them off like this. After this, I'm going to give the nails a light buff. So this mani that I hope to do is inspired by this photo here. Alright, so to begin this mani, I'm going to grab my peel off base coat, and this is a DIY peel off base coat. Actually, I have a video on my channel how I made this one, but I'm just going to use a little brush and apply it and then let it dry. And this will allow me to peel off my manicure the next time. So I'm going to be using regular nail polish for this manicure. I'm going to grab a light pink and apply this to the top half of my pointer and middle nail, and then create kind of a feathery gradient. Then on the ring and pinky nail, I'm going to paint the entire nail with a pink. So for the first two nails, we need some kind of holographic glitter shards. I didn't have something like that, but I actually did a hack video a little while ago when I tried using a CD to make kind of these shattered glass holographic nails, and they turned out really cool. So I'm going to use that same technique here. I had already had a CD cut up, and I'm just flipping it over and then using a wood stick to gently lift off some of the film. And I'm just going to kind of shred it into little pieces. After I've done this, I'm going to grab some clear nail polish and apply it to the free edge of the nail, and then start using a toothpick to pick up and place the shards all over the tip. And just one thing to make sure is that you are placing them with the silver holographic side up. I'm also going to go on to do this one on the middle nail. Alright, ooh, isn't that gorgeous? Next, you're going to grab your little Fimo fruit slices, and I'm going to place a few randomly over the holographic shreds. And since my nails are pretty small, I'm going to have to cut some of these a little bit so they can fit better. After this, I'm encapsulating the nails with a thick coat of clear nail polish. I will probably apply several just to try to fully encapsulate everything. Now for the plain pink colored nails, I'm going to grab a bright orange nail polish and then use this to paint on a chevron on the tip of those two. After that, I'm going to grab my super dry top coat and apply this to all of the nails. Alright guys, so there is the finished manicure. I do think this one is super cute and perfect for summertime. Let me know in the comments how you like this one. But for my next video, I did receive this small bag of a few different colors of dip powder to try out from Double Dip Nails, and they also do have a special bingo giveaway on their Facebook. I do really want to try out these colors. They look super pretty, and this one's like a red flaky. So if you would like to see what I come up with these, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel and have the bell on so you won't miss my nail art videos twice a week. If you're interested in seeing more nail art tutorials from me, I do have a playlist put together, and you can find that in the upper right corner of your screen or below in my description. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you all in my next video, and thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it, and have a magical day.